Hello traders, welcome back to AM Indicators. If you're looking for powerful trading tools and strategies to improve your trading skills, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this channel is here to help. In today's video, I'm sharing an incredible binary trading reversal MT4 indicator that can help you identify ideal trade entries with easy buy-sell signals. This tool analyzes price action in real time, giving you highly accurate trade opportunities. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable trading insights. Important disclaimer: trading involves financial risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Let's go over the trading rules step by step. Buy signal. When the price reaches a support level and the indicator gives a buy signal, enter a buy trade on the next candle. Sell signal. When the price moves near a resistance level and the indicator gives a sell signal, enter a sell trade on the next candle. Use a 1-minute candle time frame and set your expiry time to 5 minutes. Stay away from trading during major news releases to avoid unpredictable market movements. Best trading sessions. European and New York sessions for better trade opportunities. Avoid trading against strong trends to minimize risks. Now that you know how it works, let's jump into some live trading examples. Watch closely as I demonstrate how to use this indicator signals in real market conditions. If you're excited to try this binary trading reversal MT4 indicator, the download link is in the description below. But here's my advice. Always practice on a demo account first. This will help you understand the signals and refine your strategy without risking real money. Let's jump into the live trading examples and see how this indicator performs in real market conditions. According to our strategy, this is a perfect buy trade setup. The price is at a strong support level. The indicator has given a buy signal. The market is moving in a zigzag pattern, meaning there are temporary pullbacks within the trend. Even though the overall trend is down, the price is approaching support with a firm signal candle. This suggests that sellers might lose momentum for a while, giving us a great opportunity for a reversal. Now, let's watch the trade play out. Will this setup give us a profit or a loss? Let's find out together. Great. This setup worked exactly as expected. The price bounced off the support level, and the indicator's signal was accurate. This is why following the right strategy is so important in trading. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this indicator and how it worked for you. This looks like a perfect sell trade setup based on our strategy. The price is near a strong resistance level. The price has reversed from this level before. The indicator has given a sell signal. The market is moving in a zigzag pattern, which means temporary pullbacks are happening within the trend. Since the price has struggled to break this resistance level in the past, it is likely to reverse again. The indicator's sell signal confirms our setup, making this a high probability trade. Now let's watch and see whether this trade results in profit or loss. This time we lost the trade, but that's completely normal in trading. Wins and losses are part of the game. What really matters is how we handle these situations and how we stay consistent with our strategy. Every trade is a learning experience. Stick to proper risk management. Never let one loss affect your confidence. Losing a trade doesn't mean our strategy is wrong. Even professional traders experience losses, but they stay focused, follow their plan, and manage risk properly. Now that we've reviewed this trade, let's stay focused and look for the next high-probability setup. We have a strong sell trade setup according to our strategy. The price is at a strong resistance level. The price has reversed from this level before. The indicator has given a clear sell signal. This means the market is showing signs of a potential reversal from this resistance level. Since sellers have stepped in at this point before, there's a high probability that the price will drop again. Now let's watch the trade and see if it results in profit or loss. Great. This setup played out just as expected. The resistance level held, and the price dropped, following the sell signal from the indicator. This is why it's important to wait for the right trade setups instead of rushing into trades. Every trade, win or lose, teaches us something valuable. The key to success is to stick to the plan, refine our strategy, and stay disciplined. Always review your trades and look for ways to improve. This will help you become a better trader over time. Want to try this binary trading reversal MT4 indicator? The download link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more trading tools and strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!